interview sessions. Today I'm Ronak Soni and I have Gurdiksha Gulia with me, who is in class 8 and has won the regional and school level competition by coming first. So I welcome you, Gulia,
Thank you, ma'am.
and I welcome your mother. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you for such warm welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you actually for taking time for us, from your busy schedule.
It's my, it's a wonderful opportunity for me as well for being a
I
part
think
of
it,
your,
I think it would be a golden opportunity for me. I'm very lucky to interview her and you. So I'll start with you, Gurdiksha. First of all, tell me, how did you spend your lockdown?
I spent time with my family. I came to know about them. Then I was playing with my cousin, my sibling, my parents. They spent time with me, and I was really happy that I could spend time with my family.
Okay, so I think this lockdown period will be, very hectic for your mother. So I want to know from her, how did she spend her time in lockdown? Just bothering you.
yeah, no issues, ma'am. Actually, I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher and I was at home with my kids only. So actually, I, basically try to own their skills. So I had actually reading books. I have online and physical books with me so that they could read and enjoy stories and enhance their vocabulary also. They participated in various online games, competitions, and
That's
contests also.
wonderful. That's
They really,
wonderful.
they really also. It was a
Okay,
wonderful
that's nice.
opportunity to be kids.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so Gurdiksha, tell me how are you enjoying your online classes? Because there are so many students who complain me about it. That some are like yes, they're enjoying, but some of them are like no, they're not enjoying it. So tell me about your views. Are you enjoying your online classes?
Yes, I think I am enjoying my online classes.
You're enjoying your online classes, and ma'am, please tell me. I think you are a teacher, so you are also conducting your online classes. So how difficult it is for you to, to make her study for the online classes?
Everything has two sides. Every coin has two sides. It has benefits and it has cons also.
Yes, ma'am.
I think for the best thing for students is that they can study anywhere, anytime with these online classes. But yes, as a teacher, I really miss that physical presence of students in the classes. I really want to go to school because I'm really fed up of spending too much time on computer, laptop.
So, Gurdiksha, tell me, like, are you missing your friends because you won't be able to, meet your school friends because of this online classes?
Yes, I miss them very much.
You're missing them very much. Okay. So, Gurdiksha, tell me, do you have any hobbies or interests?
Yes, I like reading. I like playing games like cricket and football.
Do you read books?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me some of the books you have read.
I read ghost books, ghost stories, and Treasure Island, and things like that.
Okay. And I want to ask your mother about how she prepared you for spelling bee.
Actually, we have a book with us, and it's not now that I'm preparing her for spell bee competition only, but since her kindergarten classes only, I try to make sure that she learns the spelling well and she learned the grammar well. I actually worked on the basics.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not that she prepared class or seventh class only. I keep on telling her about spelling rules. And also
Okay.
moreover, she reads Moreover, she reads newspaper also, unscrambling the words and crossword puzzle. And during lockdown only, during lockdown only, I sat with my two kids, with Gurdiksha and Tanishk, and we used to enhance our vocabulary daily. So I sometimes gave them five, idioms, phrases, words, so that they know the meaning and they use those words in day-to-day language also.
Yes, ma'am. It's very beneficial actually.
So it's not that they are, they are participating in any competition and like that. So every day they are doing one thing or the other on their skills to learn something new every day.
Yes.
As far as the
Okay.
spelling bee is, as far as the spelling bee is concerned, for past 3 to 4 months, every day she was practicing one page, one page thoroughly from that book.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Diksha, okay. So tell me, how did you manage your academic studies with the preparation of spelling bee? Because it's sometimes it's difficult to cope up with both of these subjects. So how did you prepare for it?
Uh, first, I used to do my school homework, then revision, and then I used to revise the spellings because in English also these spellings are very useful. So I used to
Yes.
just learn them and use words in my daily vocabulary.
Okay, wonderful. So this will be the last question for the interview for you. Is there any message you want to give to your parents and or your friends or your teachers who might be seeing this video?
I just want to thank my parents, my teachers for preparing me for this competition and helping me in all these things.
Okay. And what about your mother? Does she has any, message for you before, just going for nationals?
Yeah, of course, ma'am. Of course, it's actually, kudos to the team of India's Spelby that they are organizing such competition. I'm very thankful to each and every, team member of the spelling bee.
Thank you
They
so
are,
much, ma'am. It is our opportunity.
they are they are giving us such a good opportunity to all the students to come forward. Thank you
Yes.
so much, ma'am, for organizing the competition. Thank you so much for giving her a chance to come
It
forward.
would be I think it would be nothing if you and her won't, take chance to grab the opportunity and to participate in it. I think it's all
Surely.
kudos to you actually. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you
So
so
this
much,
will be
ma'am.
the end of our interview. Thank you for taking time. And Gurdiksha, I
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
congratulate you because you have been qualified for nationals. And best of luck for the national, and you have to prepare hard for it. Okay, thank you
Thank
so
you so
much,
much.
ma'am, and thank you so much, Gurdiksha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.